Right, so continuing a straight line, what we're going to do in this video is look at how we work out the equation of a straight line when the y-intercept isn't given to us. So the question we've got is find the equation of the line through the points where we've got A, which is 7, 12, and B, which is 12, 2. So looking at that, we know, again, so it's still y equals mx plus c, right? So this time though, our c is not obvious, but we can still start the same way as we did before. So we find m using y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we've got 7, 12, and we've got 12, 2. So let's go for x1, y1, x2, y2. Reminder that the order of like the 1s and 2s don't matter as long as both the 1s are one coordinate and both the 2s are the other. So we've got on the top we've got 2 take away 12, and then on the bottom we have got 12 take away 7. So then we get 2 take away 12, which is minus 10, and on the bottom we've got 12 take away 7, which is 5. So we get for this line we've got a gradient of minus 2. So again, that's just reminding that going from left to right, it will slope down the way. So it'll be going down the way as we go across our page. So we don't know at this point what our y-intercept is, but we do know that y in this case is equal to minus 2x plus c. So we can substitute in one of our coordinates, it doesn't matter which, to find our c to get our equation. So if we use our first coordinate, so we've got 7, 12, we know that this one here is our x and that one there is our y. So we know that to get 12, because y is 12, we have to do minus 2 lots of 7 and then add something, because these equations are just substitutions formulas that we've done before. So we get 12 is equal to minus 14, because minus 2 times 7 plus something. So then we add the 14 to both sides, so we're going to get 26 is what c has to be. So we can get our final answer, which has always got to have an x and a y in it. So we get y is equal to minus 2x plus 26. So reminder what we're doing there, we find our gradient by using our formula, and then we pick one of our points, taking the x and y and substituting them in. So x goes where the x is, y goes where the y is, and then solve for c. Okay, so this is one method. There is a second method that's going to be in the next video. So that's us, and remember, if there's any questions about the video, you can leave a comment.